If you want to use AI wallpapers on Poco F8 Ultra, you can quickly do this by opening Settings, now go to the Personalization, and you will have to go for AI Dynamic Wallpapers. When you open this one, as you can see, you can find 4 default recommendations. Let's try, for example, this one. As you can see here, we can find this 3D effect. I mean, maybe not the 3D, like a video effect. So it's gonna move that wallpaper onto the right side and give you some sunlight. And when you go for this one, for example, it's gonna basically move waves. And all you have to do right now is just to click apply. But when you click on the plus over here, you can actually even create this from your own photo. So I have the custom photo that I took yesterday, and now it's gonna analyze this photo, and we have to wait a little bit and let's see what kind of the result we'll get. So let's click generate, and I'm just wondering if it is gonna recognize this specific car, and I'm wondering if it's gonna move also with horses over here. The server is busy, this might take a minute, so we just have to be we have to be patient and wait. You can also click to finish in the background, and it will actually start processing this one. It's generating all the time. For some reason it just turns on the notification sound, I'm not sure why. But yeah, that's how it actually looks. We have to just wait for the final results, so I'm not gonna waste your time, and I'm gonna record another video for this one.